straight to the point. I tell you what you want to hear, what you need, and how to get what you need to be able to get a Stripe or a Shopify Payments or any payment gateway for your dropshipping store. Because all of us want someone who goes straight to the point, right? So this is me telling you exactly what you need. You need a proof of address in UK to be able to get a Stripe account or any payment gateway that you need to be able to support your business or to be able to collect payments from your customers. And I know your question, how can I get a proof of address in UK if I live in Africa, if I live in Asia? Okay, that's the point of this video. I know how you can get a proof of address in UK without having to visit UK because I used that same strategy. It is the same strategy that I use, and even right now we can go on my computer and we can set up a Stripe account for anyone. Right now, we can do it. All you need to do is drop a comment and say, hey, activate a Stripe account. Let's see if it works. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to tell you or to show you what you need to do and what you need to be able to get a Stripe account, Shopify payments, or any payment gateway that's out there for your dropshipping store. You need to look like you live in a country where these guys are providing their services, which is UK, because I'm saying UK instead of USA because most of you, when you're watching these videos, they only tell you about USA, set up a US company, blah blah blah. That's a long story and that's a very big thing because to be able to set up a company in USA, you need like more than 400 US dollars, which is a lot of money for all of us. I chose UK because it's very simple and straightforward, no issues, no payment holds. I've been doing this. I've been using this same strategy from I don't know when, and I've been doing this. I've been activating Shopify payments for people. I've been creating Stripe accounts for people. So you can use my strategy and do the same and be able to get a Stripe account, to get Shopify payments, to get banks in UK using my simple strategy. One video that solves all your problems that we have right now, which is a bank account. You might not have a bank account to store your money. If you use your local banks, they charge you a lot of money. But if you have a UK bank and you have a Stripe account or you have a Shopify payment, your money goes straight into that bank and you can use it from wherever you are. So what I did for you is that I made a full course, a full guide, a step-by-step guide that has all the information, including my phone number there, which you can use to contact me and ask if you have any questions. I made a step-by-step guide that's going to show you the whole process of obtaining these legal documents from UK, which you can use to verify your Shopify payments. You can use it to verify your Stripe account. You can use it to verify any bank. That means you have a proof of address in UK, which you can use to do pretty much anything. And this issue of payment gateway ends there. If you are willing to put an end to this payment gateway issue, just download my full course that I made for you. And from there, you will know everything that is there to know, and you'll be able to get your legal documents and verify your stores and continue with your business.